I'm Shane Rajbully from Woodsworth Interiors. We're a kitchen design company specializing in your higher luxury kitchens in KZN. A few years ago we were looking for solutions with lift-up doors, and then that's how we came across the Blum range. So I think once we realized how well those lift-up fittings work, we just sort of stuck with the brand. So to be honest, we thought it's going to be a bit complicated. We thought, these high-end fittings, they work so well, so they must be complicated to install and all these things. But we were actually blown away how well they worked and how simple the installation process was. Yeah, so Blum's been setting the benchmark, I think, with hardware. We haven't had any issues with them. Everything works well. We're happy, clients are happy. We've got no comeback, so definitely a product we're going to stick to. Blum products have been so reliable. We have literally no comebacks. Clients are always happy and pleased with the end result. So that helps us. It gives us a good reputation as well. I would give Blum service definitely a 10 out of 10, without a doubt. A few months ago, I think there was a specialized hinge that I needed for a door detail. And they made sure they came through, helped me find this perfect hinge, and yeah, everything worked great after that. So I've actually personally been here for the design training, as well as the installation and the fitment training. Both helped us tremendously. It helped our staff as well understand the process behind installing it. So what we have found is with the training, it helped us with our efficiency, and it greatened our productivity in the business. Blum products and the Blum service helped us achieve our desired quality and service overall. So I think that gave us a lot of benefit with our clients, and obviously getting a lot more referrals through that. I think Blum's one of our firm favorites. I think one that I can talk about is using the servo drive system for lift-up doors. I think that really took that experience to a new level for the client. And yeah, it was a wonderful experience to have. I think with the Blum innovation and development, they keep raising the bar, which is quite nice. Not just nice for us and them, but it's also raising the bar for the industry. So I think that's quite important. Sliding doors could be an option, maybe pocket doors as well, because at the moment now we're taking this from a different supplier, but obviously we prefer to take it from Blum if we could. So we're 100% satisfied with Blum and their products, and we will definitely recommend them to other manufacturers. Blum's come a long way, and they helped us grow quite a bit. Honestly, I can't think of another way that they can actually help us improve, but I'm sure they'll be innovative with that and definitely improve somehow. So if I had to summarize working with Blum, I'd say it's quality, made efficient and effortless.